One thing with TeePublic though that I find annoying is, have you heard, or have you maybe had the same experience that they like to close shops or suspend shops that are new?
Yeah, I've heard that in the comments. I haven't had that done myself. And another thing that's annoying that people have said is that they can't find their designs in search. So those two things really scare people away from TeePublic. I haven't had that happen to myself. I have had the search thing happen to me. So if you go on there, sometimes I did my video with my 31 designs and I tested it and I put it on TeePublic and I did get some sales. What I didn't say is some of those sales I couldn't, some of those designs I couldn't find in search, but some of those same sales were the ones that I got sales for. So my guess is they are randomly showing designs. Yeah, that's my guess. I haven't heard that from TeePublic, but because like I searched for the design, I couldn't find it on TeePublic, but yet I got sales for that design. So that leads me to assume that sometimes it shows and people are buying it, sometimes it doesn't show. So I wouldn't worry too much about that one. But TeePublic closing your shop down, I don't know all the reasons. But I'd be very, very careful of what you put on there. I still think people would, I still think TeePublic would close your shop down if you did infringement and copyright, trademark and stuff, but I don't know what else it is. Could be.
From my experience, for anyone who's dealt with this, I've opened multiple shops and usually it's like in the first week, they often just close the shop. And I've been selling on there since 2020, I think. And back then, when I emailed them, they always used to say, oh yeah, this was an accident, we've reinstated your shop.
Oh, nice.
So it seems to be a common thing with new shops. And the same thing about the search. I told them my products aren't showing up in search, and they said, oh yeah, this was an issue and they should be shown right now.
Good.
But since about a year ago, they've stopped responding to support questions. So I've had like a couple of my shops taken down.
Oh no.
Even one that had been running for years.
Really? Oh boy, that would be bad.
And some of them were also newer ones that I'd literally just created, nothing uploaded to. And yeah, I've asked them about it and checked if it was an error like it used to be, but no one responds to you anymore. So it's quite a shame that that's happening. I'd like to actually promote TeePublic more for beginners to open a shop because I think there's a lot of potential. But if they just keep closing shops.
So would you suggest just trying again if your shop is closed down? So how many TeePublic shops do you have? Because I only have the one. Do you have more than one?
2 at the moment, but I used to have 4.
Oh.
Yeah.
I wonder if they're kind of discouraging multiple shops or something. I don't know. But who knows? If they're not answering, then we don't know.
Yeah, I think I've asked that in the past as well.
And they're okay with it? Multiple shops?
Yeah.
It would make
maybe
sense.
It's changed. Who knows? Yeah.
Yeah, it could be a glitch too. I would keep trying. Yeah, sorry for all those people that get their shops closed, but I think like you mentioned, probably just let that one go and try again and see. But it can be frustrating.
I would definitely say try again, and maybe the support is just having a rough time, and maybe they'll come back this year. Who knows? And we'll actually get some responses again. If you enjoyed that clip, then click here to watch the full episode of Print on Demand Wisdom.